There's a desert in the world that produces a sound so strange. Scientists still can't fully explain it. It's called the Singing Dunes, and people report hearing deep humming, booming, and even vibrating sounds coming from the sand itself. The noise is so loud it can echo across the desert for miles. Some believe it's caused by millions of sand grains sliding together. Others think something deeper is happening beneath the dunes. Have you ever heard sand make a sound like this? Comment your answer below. Subscribe Xenon Facts for more mind-blowing truths.